Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about truly high-end products that help reset your liver, helping it detoxify most effectively. The liver is not only an important detoxifying organ, but also plays a key role in many other functions of the body. Therefore, protection and optimal function are extremely important. You have the ability to detoxify, create bile, and produce hormones. However, when the liver is damaged, you may experience symptoms such as constipation, jaundice, lethargy, joint pain, nausea, decreased cognitive function, and gallstones. To avoid these problems and keep yourself healthy, add the following foods to your daily diet. 1. Cruciferous vegetables, sulforaphane. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage contain sulforaphane, a powerful compound that helps the liver detoxify effectively. Sulforaphane is not indicated to help get rid of fungal infections, but also helps to quickly detoxify substances such as caffeine, drugs, chemicals, and toxins. Furthermore, this vegetable also enhances liver function, reduces complications due to diabetes, reduces autostem damage, and improves insulin sensitivity, helping to better control blood sugar levels. 2. Garlic, sulfur. Garlic contains sulfur, an ingredient that helps detoxify. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic with antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Garlic not only removes fat in the liver, but also provides lots of vitamin B1, is anti-inflammatory, and a powerful antioxidant. In particular, it also has anti-cancer properties, helping to protect against harmful agents. 3. Turmeric, curcumin. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has the ability to reduce liver inflammation and detoxify heavy metals. Curcumin helps repair and regenerate functions, stabilize the body, and has anti-cancer effects. In addition, art also helps reduce fat in the liver, protect the liver from damage, and maintain overall health. 4. Beets. Beets are one of the best products for the liver. It helps detoxify the liver and activates the release of bile salts, thereby reducing fat in the liver. Beets also protect liver cells and reduce inflammation, helping the liver function more effectively and solving liver-related diseases. 5. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are high in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports the liver. Glutathione helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and toxic substances, keeping the liver healthy and functioning well. 6. Avocados. Avocados are not only a rich source of glutathione, but also have anti-inflammatory effects, help heal and stabilize liver function. Adding avocado to your daily diet will help you stay in the best condition and reduce the risk of liver diseases. 7. Pure olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil has many benefits for the liver, including improving men's liver health, reducing liver fat, and improving insulin sensitivity. Olive oil is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce insulin resistance and protect against damage. Hopefully, with this information, you will better understand the importance of liver care and know how to add good food products to your daily diet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss other useful videos. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next videos.